Morning students. Today we discuss the second lesson in our physics 8th class physics textbook, friction. Second lesson, friction. Now in this lesson we discuss the force of friction and its types. Force of friction and its types. So identifying forces acting on a body, and the effect of frictional force Okay students, all of you take your textbook, page number 19. Page number 19. Friction. We have learnt about the various types of forces in the chapter force. Already we learnt various types of forces. Force at a distance, contact force, magnetic force, electrostatic force, gravitational force, normal force, frictional force, etc. Okay, now in this lesson, we also have learnt about the force of friction, which plays an important role in our daily life. Let us learn in detail about this force in this chapter. So, force is very necessary in our day-to-day life. Force of friction and its types. Force of friction and its type activity 1. Identifying forces acting on a body and the effect of frictional force. చూడండి అక్కడ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ డయాగ్రామ్ లో ఒక టేబుల్, ఒక హెవీ బుక్, ఒక హ్యాండ్ కనపడుతుంది చూడండి. ఆ పర్సన్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు, టేబుల్ మీద బుక్ ని పుష్ చేస్తున్నాడు. Then the book moves at a certain distance. After some time, the book will stop. Gradually, the speed of book decreases. After some time, the book will stop. Okay. So, gently push a book on a horizontal floor as shown in figure. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ డయాగ్రామ్ లో చూడండి ఒకసారి. ఫిగర్ నెంబర్ 1 స్లోగా పుష్ చేస్తున్నాడు ఒక పర్సన్ బుక్ ని on the horizontal floor that like a surface of table. What do you observe? మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తాం, the book will move in the direction of applied force and gradually the speed of book decreases. After some time it will stop. అది మనకు తెలుస్తుంది. సో చూడండి, you may observe that the book acquires certain speed. The book acquires certain speed in the direction of push. ఏ డైరెక్షన్ అయితే మనం పుష్ చేసాం బుక్ ని, ఆ డైరెక్షన్ లో that book moves with a certain speed. However, the speed of the book gradually decreases. And after some time it stops. It will stop. అది కొంత టైం తర్వాత ఆగిపోతుంది అన్నమాట. Why does the book stop after covering some distance? అది సర్టెన్ డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఎందుకని బుక్ అలా ఆగిపోయింది, రెస్టింగ్ స్టేట్ లోకి వచ్చింది? బికాస్ దేర్ ఆర్ 2 forces యాక్టింగ్ ఆన్ దట్ బుక్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ we know the gravitational force. Earth pulls the book towards its center in downward direction. Second one, the frictional force. The frictional force act always opposite to the direction of the motion of the body. డైరెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద మోషన్ ఆఫ్ బాడీకి ఫ్రిక్షనల్ ఫోర్స్ ఎప్పుడు ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ లో యాక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. సో దీస్ 2 forces is reason for the book after some time it will stop due to gravitational force and the frictional force, both forces. That is the reason. Why does the speed of the book change gradually? Changes means decreases gradually. You know that book is a non-uniform motion with respect to the floor. Book is a non-uniform motion. That means book acquires some speed, some velocity in the direction of applied force, in the direction of push. In the 4th chapter, we studied the non-uniform motion of your body takes place when a net force acting on it. ఒక బాడీ మూవ్ అయిందంటే యూనిఫామ్ ఆర్ నాన్ యూనిఫామ్, డైరెక్ట్ నాన్ యూనిఫామ్ స్పీడ్ తో మూవ్ అయిందంటే ఆ బాడీ మీద డైరెక్ట్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఏం అప్లై చేయబడింది? నెట్ ఫోర్స్, ద టోటల్ ఫోర్స్. నెట్ ఫోర్స్ యాక్ట్ ఆన్ ద బాడీ. Then that body moves in the direction of push or direction of applied force. Okay. How many forces on the act on the book when it is pushed on the floor? How many forces? There are two forces act on the book. First one, gravitational force. Second one, frictional force between the surface of the floor and the surface of the book. These two forces act on the book simultaneously. Simultaneously means at a time. Okay, సమయంలో. Okay, let us examinations force acting on the book. Two forces act on the book. There are two forces act on the book in the vertical direction. In the vertical direction. First one is for Fg means gravitational force. For gravitational force that is equal to the weight of the body W. Second one is normal force. Normal force also. Normal force. Third one is frictional force. So this is the free body diagram, like a free body diagram. The diagram showing all the forces act on object at any particular instant. At any particular instant, it is called free body diagram. This is the F means force of friction between the surface of book and the surface of horizontal floor. Okay, the two forces act on the book in the vertical directions. First one is the gravitational force, another is the normal force, another one is frictional force. Weight of the book W or gravitational force acting on vertical downward direction. Vertically downward direction. Normal force or the reaction force applied by the floor vertically upward direction. Upward direction. And the other force exists between the book and the horizontal floor. That force is a frictional force. Frictional force always opposite to the direction of the motion of the body. Frictional force. Third force. Yes, there is no change in the motion of the book acting in vertical direction. Vertical direction. The net force acting on the book in the vertical direction is 0. So, ఈ book horizontal floor మీద move అవ్వలేదనుకోండి, there is no net force acting on the book. That means gravitational force must be equal to normal force. So, the book is in the resting state or equilibrium state. బుక్ మూవ్ అవ్వదు ఇక్కడ. బుక్ మూవ్ అయిందంటే అయితే నార్మల్ ఫోర్స్ అయితే గ్రావిటేషనల్ ఫోర్స్, ఈ టూ ఫోర్సెస్ లో ఏదో ఫోర్స్ మోర్ హెవీగా ఉండాలి. గ్రావిటేషనల్ ఫోర్స్ ఇస్ మోర్ దెన్ ద నార్మల్ ఫోర్స్ ఇస్ మోర్ దెన్ ద గ్రావిటేషనల్ ఫోర్స్. ద అప్లైడ్ ఫోర్స్ is more than these two normal and the gravitational force, then the book will starts moving. ఈ టూ ఫోర్సెస్ కంటే మనం అప్లై చేసిన ఫోర్స్, అప్లైడ్ ఫోర్స్ హైయెస్ట్ గా ఉందనుకోండి, దెన్ ద బుక్ విల్ మూవ్ ఇన్ ద force of applied force direction, in the direction of applied force. Okay, see the textbook. What is the net force acting in the horizontal direction? When the speed of the body moving in a straight line changes continuously. Speed of the body moving in a straight line changes continuously. We say that the body has acquired an acceleration. Moving body ki acceleration ఉందంటాం. వెలాసిటీ స్పీడ్ ఏదైనా బాడీకి ఉంటే, మూవింగ్ స్టేట్ లో ఉంటే ఆ బాడీ, దట్ ఈస్ ద యాక్సలరేషన్ అంటాం. రేట్ ఆఫ్ చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ వెలాసిటీ, నోట్ దిస్ పాయింట్, రేట్ ఆఫ్ చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ వెలాసిటీ, రేట్ ఆఫ్ చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ velocity, rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. That is equal to formula v minus u by t. v minus u by t is equal to a. A is the symbol of acceleration. So moving body ఖచ్చితంగా accelerated body అంటాం. Moving body ని accelerated body అంటాం. By close observation of this activity, we can understand that the floor applies a force on the book against in its motion. The floor applies a certain force against the motion of an object. Motion of an object ki against the floor, that the surface of table, apply some force. This force always against the motion of the direction of the motion of the body. That force is called frictional force. Frictional force. So the three forces act simultaneously on this book. This book acts as a FBD. FBD means free body diagram. Free body diagram. The diagram showing all the forces acting on an object at a particular instant. It is called free body diagram. Here the floor of table, the floor of surface exerts some force. This force act opposite direction of the motion of the body or the book. That force is called frictional force. Frictional force. Okay, students. Similarly, the book also applies the same amount of force on the floor in the opposite direction. That is the gravitational force. That is the gravitational force. Hence, it is clear that the floor is at rest. Clear, the floor is at rest. Book also is at rest on the surface of floor. We push this book with certain force. Then the book starts moving in the direction of pushing or the direction of applied force. After some time, it acquires some certain speed. That speed of book gradually decreases. After some time, that book will stop. This is because the frictional force acts between the surface of table, surface of floor, and the surface of book. Okay, hence the net force acts in the direction of the force. Net force, total force acts in the direction of the force. The direction of applied force is more than the gravitational force or normal force. Then the book will move on the surface of table. On the surface of table. Direction of the force applied by the floor on the book. The force applied by the floor on the book is called. The force applied by the surface of floor on the book, on the surface of book, it is called a frictional force. It is called a frictional force or friction. Frictional force or friction. It is the most important, students. The force applied by the floor on the surface, on the book, on the surface of book. The force applied by the surface of floor applied the force on the surface of book. It is called frictional force or friction. Force of friction. This force of friction is always opposite to the direction of the moving body or moving object. Frictional force always opposite to the moving object. Okay, there are three forces act simultaneously or at a time in this book. First force is gravitational force, vertically downward direction. Second force is normal force, vertically upward direction. The floor of table applies a force against the motion of the book or object. That force is called F force. Small f means frictional force. These two forces act on the book simultaneously. Okay, this diagram is also example of FBD. FBD means free body diagram. The diagram showing all the forces act on an object at a particular instant of time. It is called free body diagram. Okay, students, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.